Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 10 from sloka number 31. Pavanah pavatamasmi Ramashastra-bhritamaham Jashanam Makaraschasmi Shrotasamasmi Janhavi. Krishna is telling his Vibhuti Yoga to Arjuna. He is telling, of purifiers, I am the wind. Of warriors, I am Rama. Of fish, I am the shark. Of rivers, I am the Ganges. Sarga-namadirantashcha madhyam chaivahamarjuna adhyatma-vidya vidyanam vadah pravadatamaham. O Arjuna, of creations, I am the beginning, middle, and end. Of knowledge, I am knowledge of the Supreme Self. Among speakers, I am words that are unbiased and in pursuit of the truth. Aksharanamakarosmi dvandva samasikasya cha ahamevakshayah kalah Dhatahau Vishvato Mukha. Of letters, I am the letter A, and of compound words, I am the dual. I alone and endless, and universal dispenser, facing in all directions. Mrityu sarvaharaschaham udbhavascha bhavishyatam kirti shrirvakchanarinam smritirmedha dhritihi kshama. I am the death, destroyer of all. I am the source of all things yet to be. Of woman, I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, fortitude, and forbearance. Brihat Samatatha Samnam Gayatri Chandasamaham Masanam Marga Shirshoham Ritunam Kusumakaraham. Of the Vedic hymns, I am Brihat Sama. Of meters, I am Gayatri. Of months, Margashirsha. Of seasons, flower bearing spring. द्यूतं छलयतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहं जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहम्. Of cheaters, I am gambling, and influence among the influential. I am victory, effort, and the goodness of the good. वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहौ व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः. Of Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva. Of the Pandavas, Dhananjaya. Of the wise, I am the Vyasa. Of poet, I am Usana. दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषतां मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहम्. Of punishers, I am the rod of chastisement. Of victors, I am the guidance they follow. Of secret things, I am silence. And of the wise, I am wisdom. यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्. Furthermore, O Arjuna, I am the seed of all existence. There is nothing moving or unmoving that can exist without me. नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप येष तुद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया. O conqueror of enemies, there is no end to my divine manifestation. What I have told you is merely an indication of the extent of my opulence. यद्यद् विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंश सम्भवम्. Know that in all cases, whatever in existence is powerful, glorious, and beautiful, ensure from but a spark of my splendor. अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टव्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांश्रेण स्थितो जगत्. But what need is there for all this extensive knowledge, Arjuna? I sustain this entire universe by mere portion of myself. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Shri Krishnarjuna Sauvade Vibhuti Yogo Nama Dashamodhyayah.